Hi, I'm Allie Roberts with StartinglineProducts, and today we're going to show you how to install our silencers for the 850 Polaris. We will be going over both the competition and lightweight series silencers, and we'll have a note in the top right corner to mark the differences. The tools that you will need for this installation are a T40 Torx, a 13mm socket or wrench, and a spring puller. First, remove the side panels, hood, pipe, and silencer. Retain all stock hardware, as some of it will be reinstalled later in this video. For the competition silencer, install the spring tab using the threaded hole in the side of the bulkhead and the provided bolt. Make sure the spring tab is in the 1 o'clock position. For the lightweight silencer, remove the front upper bolt on the bulkhead and slide the supplied spring tab onto the bolt and reinstall with the spring hook pointing in the 11 o'clock position. Remove the lock nut and spring tab from the upper right rear front bumper mount and install the supplied spring tab bracket. The bracket should be flush to the engine side of the front bumper, and the bend of the bracket should be flush with the underside of the bumper. Reinstall the stock spring tab pointing up and tighten the lock nut. At the belly pan exhaust outlet, drill out the right front rivet, then install a provided spring tab and use the provided rivet to attach the spring tab in place. Make sure the spring tab is facing away from the motor, pointing straight up. We weren't able to replicate this step in our video as it had already been done previously to the sled. If you have any questions on how to do this step, please contact us. Using a T40 Torx and a 13mm socket, remove the recoil roller. This part will not be reinstalled, and failure to remove this part will cause the recoil rope to melt. Install heat tape from the silencer outlet forward to the outside panel hold-down strap. On the bottom of the pipe bracket, remove the rubber stop and place the supplied pipe adjustment washer on the rubber stop. Reinstall the stock pipe back into its original location in the sled. Then reattach the stock springs to the underside of the stock pipe. Use 2 short springs to attach the pipe to the stock spring tab and the SLP pipe spring bracket. Reinstall the stock graphfoil seal. Install SLP silicone outlet ring to the outlet of the silencer. Apply a high-temperature silicone sealer to glue the silicone seal to the silencer and stock outlet, which we have already done prior to this video. When installing the silencer into the sled, tilt the inlet of the silencer toward yourself and slide the silencer into the outlet and silencer support bracket to ensure a correct fit. Then, tilt the silencer inlet so that it lines up with the stock pipe and graphfoil seal. Align the silencer inlet with the graphfoil seal and reattach the stock springs on the upper and lower sides of the silencer to the stock pipe. For the competition silencer, use the long stock spring and attach it to the riveted spring tab on the front chassis support, then attach to the silencer. Then, use a short stock spring to attach the bottom rear of the silencer to the spring tab that we installed earlier in this video. For the lightweight silencer, use 1 short stock spring to attach the silencer to the front spring tab that we installed earlier in this video. Then, using the long stock spring, attach the silencer to the rear chassis support. Reinstall EGT probes into both the silencer and the pipe. Finally, reinstall the hood and side panels. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or call us.